E-commerce is the new normal, and it has kept the US economy as the largest in the world, followed by China. The e-commerce industry is estimated to be valued at $29 trillion. Africa needs businesses and companies that will fill the void that the government has left in our e-commerce sector. Thankfully, Shoppers Warehouse has risen to the occasion to fill the void in the e-commerce sector in Africa and the world at large. Shoppers Warehouse has come to challenge the status quo and bring about the paradigm shift to the way business is done in the 21st century. You might ask, how does Shoppers Warehouse intend to achieve this? Shoppers Warehouse is bringing an opportunity for the common man to own his own warehouse, a privilege formerly reserved for the rich and the high class. Shoppers Warehouse lets you earn residual income on daily e-commerce sales, 40% profit share as a distributor, and 20% profit share as a customer. On a whole, Shoppers Warehouse shares 80% of its profits to all who participate on different levels. So why don't you join us today as a distributor? Shoppers Warehouse, your own warehouse, your wealth generator.